Hey everyone, it's Kenny here with the Parker Real Estate Group at Huff Realty, and today is Saturday, March 14th, and I am here at my open house at 10803 Muirfield Court. This is in the beautiful promenade section of Triple Crown in Union, Kentucky. I'll be here for the open house and from 12 till 2. This condo is absolutely beautiful. You can see the kitchen behind me. It is 3 finished levels. It's a 2-bedroom with 2 primary suites, 2 full baths, 2 half baths. This features, it's got over 2,000 square feet, a 1-car garage, and plenty parking on the street. If you have any questions at all about this place, reach out to me. Or come by and see me today from 12 to 2. I'd love to show you this beautiful condo. And priced at only $300,000, along with one of the lowest HOA fees in Northern Kentucky and low Boone County tax. This is a deal. If you have any questions, let me know. Talk to you soon.